Hello, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Neka. If this is your first time on my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Click on the notification bell for more videos. And today we will be looking at a magic mopping stick. I can't believe it. This mopping stick is adjustable. It can be turned, the head can be turned anti-clockwise 360 degrees straight. You can use it to mop the ceilings, the walls of your kitchen, or anywhere. The walls, especially the kitchen. That's why I mentioned the kitchen first. Very amazing mop. Very amazing mop. What am I even saying? Let's try check it out. Have you seen this amazing mop before? This mop is designed to act like the human hand. It can automatically squeeze out the water by itself. This mop is perfect for cleaning stubborn stains on the walls, the corners of the walls and the ceilings. I'm sure you haven't seen this. The mop head is so soft and can absorb any amount of water.